Hey y'all, welcome back. This is Joe, and this is my channel, Somewhere in Kentucky. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick and easy vegetable soup recipe. Nothing fancy. Everything is going to be out of a can, out of your cupboard, into the pot, and onto the table. Homemade soup is always better with fresh home canned vegetables, but in a pinch, you use what you have. And today we're going to use 3 cans of diced tomatoes, great value from Walmart. We're going to use a can of corn, a can of great value cut green beans, a can of carrots, 1 can of Margaret Holmes seasoned cabbage, 1 can of great value peas, can of diced potatoes, and a rotel tomatoes with chilies to give it just a little bit of kick. Now let's get these cans opened, get the vegetables drained and rinsed, pour them into a pot, and get everything stirred up. Now at this point, you're going to notice that the soup is very thick, so we're going to add some tomato juice. If you had home canned tomato juice, that would be best, but we don't, and in a pinch, we're going to add Red Gold canned tomato juice from the store. Red Gold happens to be our favorite, but you use whatever you prefer. Pour in a good amount. I use about 2/3 of this can. And now to turn the heat on, let it come to a rolling boil, stirring occasionally so that it doesn't stick. And then once it boils, you're going to turn the heat down and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. I almost forgot the pepper. Now, at this point, you can add salt and pepper to taste. If you don't like a lot of pepper, leave it out. If you don't like a lot of salt, leave it out. You season this to your taste. The vegetables themselves taste wonderful together. You don't need to add a lot to this. All done. Here we are, one big steaming pot of vegetable soup. Real quick, real easy. And let me tell you, my whole family has been down with a head cold this week, Mama included. And when you need to cook supper, and you need something that's going to make everybody feel better, fill everybody up, and taste good, this is one of my best bets. We enjoy it. We hope you will too. Leave us a comment below of what one of your favorite recipes is. We'd love to hear it. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for taking time to spend time with our family. And if you get a chance, hit a like button, subscribe to my channel, come back and visit us again.